Lesson 15. Arimasu and imasu. Examples. Koko ni hito ga imasu. Here is a person. Kono hito wa okiku arimasu. This person is big. The distinction between arimasu and imasu has been studied already in Lesson 10. The purpose of this lesson is to remind the students that in descriptive expressions, arimasu is used for both animate and inanimate things. It is convenient to remember that imasu is used where the meaning of to stay is implied. For instance, here is a person can imply that the person stays here of his own accord, and imasu is used. In koko ni hon ga arimasu, the book does not stay here, it is here, because it was placed here, and arimasu is used. In kono hito wa okiku arimasu, the subject is an inanimate thing, but there is no implication of staying. It is a simple statement that the person is big, and arimasu is used. Note the special use of imasu in the following sentences. Kono hito wa kirei de imasu. This person is still pretty. This person stays pretty. Kono hito wa kirei desu. Arimasu. This person is pretty. We shall study the use of imasu further in the lessons on progressive form in Lesson 18. Vocabulary. Nippon, Japan. Nippon no, of Japan or Japanese. Mado, window. Tatami, reed mat. Tsukue, table or desk. Hibachi, fire brazier. Itsumo, always. Shoji, paper door with single layer of light paper. Exercise. What the heck? There's a picture. You should probably study that. Yeah. Kore wa rippa na heya desu. This is a fine room, if you say so. Kore wa rippa na Nippon no heya desu. This is a fine Japanese room. Fine for a Japanese room, you mean. Heya no hitari ni mado ga arimasu. Soshite mado no tana ni hako ga arimasu. There is a window to the left of the room, and on the shelf of the window there is a box. The shelf of the window? Do you mean the windowsill? Migi ni tana ga arimasu. Soshite tana no ue ni chisai todana ga arimasu. To the right there is a shelf, and above the shelf there is a small closet. Why we put a closet above a shelf is beyond me, and just to the right of you. Yuka no ue ni nani ga arimasu ka? What's on the floor? You see, this is why we don't wear shoes in the Japanese house. Nippon no heya no yuka no ue ni itsumo tatami ga arimasu. Over the floor of a Japanese room there's tatami always. I could speak in broken English always. Kirei na tatami wa yoi mono desu. Clean tatami is a good thing to look at. Martha Stewart would agree. It's a good thing. Kirei de nai tatami wa yokunai mono desu. Unclean tatami is not a good thing to look at. Well, then don't look. Sheesh, I invite you over and you insult me? Tatami no ue ni nani to nani ga arimasu ka? What and what are on the floor? Something and something that are none of your business. Tsukue no hibachi ga arimasu. There are a table and a fire brazier, because everybody knows what a fire brazier is, or how to pronounce it. Kore wa rippa na oki tsukue desu. Keredomo hibachi wa rippa de arimasen. This is a fine big table, but the fire brazier is not fine. In fact, it's so darn right not fine, it's almost unpleasant. Hibachi no soba ni hito ga imasu. There's a person or persons by the fire brazier. Quick, call the police! Sono hito wa kirei desu ka? Is that person, she pretty? We might not have to call the cops after all. So desu. Sono hito wa itsumo kirei de imasu. Soshite shinsetsu desu. Yes, she's always pretty and kind. Oh, in that case, get her a beer. Mado ni shoji ga arimasu. There are paper doors in the window. Who designed this house? Why are there paper doors in the windows and closets above shelves? Kore wa chisai shoji desu. These are small paper doors. Oh, well that's different then. Shoji wa hako no ushiro ni arimasu. The paper doors are behind the box. Even more convenient?